Determined to reduce your weight, stay healthy and fit? Then check out this video to have low carb diet, right? Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes. This is the world's first low carb flour that has been introduced. It is dietitian recommended. We see most of our Indian foods having carbs. Eating carbs will put on your weight and it's not good for health. But if you're really interested to reduce your weight and be healthy or fit, then start having this low carb diet. As you see in the picture, this is available on Amazon stores. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out. As you see in the picture, there is something interesting about this product. You see the ingredients that goes into this flour. This is low carb flour plus high protein, as I shared earlier. Okay, this flour is made up of wheat flour, soya flour, groundnuts, and isolated wheat protein, and seeds mix, that is sunflower, flax, millet, pumpkin, and coconut flour. This is extremely nutritious, keto friendly, diabetic friendly, and it is certified by NABL. It doesn't include any maida that has been added into this flour. This flour contains no added preservatives or artificial flavors. So you can check out, as you see in the picture. As I'm unpacking, you can see the flour. You need not spend lots of time on making roti. You just have to knead the flour. It's a very simple and easy process. As you see in the picture, you just put some water into the flour, mix up and knead the dough as you does for chapati making. After that, make small balls and flatten them into round shapes to make a roti. You can puff them up as your regular rotis. Now flip the other side. Now it's ready to have. As you see in the picture, it is soft and easy to chew. If you want to be fit, reduce your weight, you can have this with your regular veggies. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Flying Skies One. Be healthy and have a long life. Keep smiling. Good day.